In today's day and age, wherein Bollywood depends on absurd, unrealistic plot lines like
मेरा स्पर्म इनके वहां भेज दिया।
मतलब जो कांड हमने 600 साल पहले किया था, शायद हम फिर से वही करने जा रहे हैं।
Dhoomketu stands out with its plot, which is pretty simple. An aspiring writer named Dhoomketu who comes to Mumbai from UP, armed with a special book called How to Be a Bollywood Writer in 30 Days, starring Nawazuddin Siddiqui and directed by Pushpendra Nath Mishra. Though a simple plot which might not appeal to everyone, the execution of the film, in terms of its flow, is rather unorthodox, which could be the reason behind the makers not finding a distributor for the film. Unconventional techniques such as constantly making the protagonist break the fourth wall,
यहाँ सब लोग एकदम to the point.
portrayal of characters with funny, unusual yet believable traits like Dhoomketu's aunt with the surreal burping problem, a lazy cop who hasn't solved a single case in his entire career. Using Bhojpuri mixed with Hindi works well in its comic endeavors. What makes Dhoomketu an exceptional comedy film is the clever use of different types of comedy. There's a bit of anecdotal comedy, that is use of comic personal stories, which is also how Dhoomketu writes in the film, taking inspiration and incidents as they occur around him.
वो बोलता है कि एक्सरे खिंचवाना है मुझे, तो बोले अंधेरे कमरे में ले जाता है उसको, बोले खड़ा हो जा बिल्कुल सीधा, तो खड़ा हो जाता है, तो फ्रिज के सामने खड़ा कर दो, फ्रिज खोलता है, उसमें से लाइट निकलती है, बंद कर देता है और पीछे से एक्सरे उठा के दे देता है, बोले हो गया एक्सरे 25 रुपए दे। तो ये जो इस तरह के किस्से हमारे यहाँ गाँव में भी होते हैं।
A bit of anti-humor, wherein characters deliver jokes that are intentionally not funny.
खंबा बदलाना यार, खंबा कोई कैसे ला सकता?
Then there's character comedy, that is derived humor, often from stereotypes, in this case, a grumpy father and many more. Then there's insult comedy, a lot of it, observational comedy, physical comedy, shock humor, situational comedy, spoof, wordplay, all skillfully incorporated in one film. The film does not just depend on dialogues and actor performances for comic effect, but also uses camera movement and unorthodox cutting techniques by Pushpendra Mishra with Kritika Adhikari shows that good amount of time was invested in making the unconventional edit work. Nawaz has reached a stage where it goes without saying he's a great actor no matter what role he plays. For me personally, Ila Arun as Dhoomketu's aunt is super funny with her effortless comic timing. Dhoomketu's director, Pushpendra Mishra, gives me hope in a sense that he has proven if all aspects of filmmaking are used smartly, Bollywood does not have to depend on vulgarity and cheap slapstick humor to make a comedy film work. So that's it guys, let us know what your thoughts are if you've watched the film. If you haven't, you can watch it on ZEE5 and feel free to hit the subscribe button for more reviews and analysis.
यहाँ सब लोग एकदम to the point.